I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable notifications on the Fidelity app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Fidelity app. Launch the Fidelity app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find notification preferences. Scroll down to find the notifications section within the settings menu. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable notifications. Toggle the switch next to enable notifications to turn them on. You can also customize which types of notifications you want to receive, such as market alerts or account updates. Step 5. Save changes. After making your selections, be sure to tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen to apply your changes. If you forget this step, your preferences won't be updated. Now you're all set to receive notifications from the Fidelity app. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy investing!